Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English teacher from Absex 4th Road Middle Wing Boys. I hope you all will be having good time. Well, today I'll be telling you about your English task for week 4. Let's start with the first task. It is related to your novel The Secret Garden, chapter number 2, page number 6 to 9. In the previous week you learned about second chapter, so here in this week too you have to read the chapter again and revise the details of the chapter. The main events of chapter number 2 are, you know that character of Martha is introduced, who works for Mrs. Medlock. Martha helped Mary in dressing, also tells her about her brother Dickon. Mary asked Martha about the place and then she tells her about the place. Martha tells her about the secret garden out the Misselthwaite Manor where nobody was allowed to enter. Mary visited the garden and met Ben Weatherstaff and drove in. She heard a strange noise at night but couldn't get what actually it was. So she summed up that the house is full of secrets. I hope that you are clear about the details. Now in this week you have some written work as well. Here is your written work for this week. You have to write the main events of chapter number 2 in form of paragraph in about 50 to 60 words. Then you have to do the end of chapter exercise 1, 2, 3, 4 that is given on page number 44-45. You have to do this task on loose sheets. With this our first task completes and we move on to second task. Here it's your second task for this week. We have our book Cambridge Global English Learner's Book, Unit 1, talking about people, and the topic is My Favorite People. Dear students, in our life we do have someone favorite. So here in this lesson, when you will open page 14 of your learner's book, you will find 2 poems, that is poem A and poem B. Titles are written above both the poems. You have to read the poem A and B aloud and get the help of parents where required. You have to find the theme of each poem. The poem A is about Super Samson and the poem B is about our teacher, multi-talented. Now I will tell you about the theme of each poem. The theme of poem A, it is about Super Samson, who is extremely strong. His strength in the poem is appreciated and he has the ability to do the hardest task in minutes. Theme of poem B, it conveys the qualities of a teacher and is the best teacher that the students can have. Now comes the written task for this second lesson. After reading the poem A and B, you have to write the rhyming words from both the poems on loose sheets. Let me tell you what the rhyming words are. Rhyming words are the words that have the same sound. For example, near, here, brain, train. With this our task 2 completes and we move on to our task number 3. Here it's your task 3, which is again from your learner's book unit 1, talking about people, and topic is favorite things. Learner's book page number 12 to 13 and activity book page number 10. For this task you have to read Bethany's My Page given on page 12 and read about herself in detail. Read about the name, date of birth, town or city, her likes, her dislikes, her personality, her family, favorite things, favorite season, favorite smell, favorite taste, and advice to others. Here is the written work for this task. First, you have to write your own My Page. For this, you can take help from Bethany's My Page and the model that is presented on the next slide and follow the similar pattern for its preparation. The second written work for this task is from your activity book, page number 10, exercise 1. Here you have to read and match the headings to Natalie Detroit's My Page. Here is the model for writing My Page. You can take help from this page and prepare your own. With this, our task 3 completes for this week, and we move on to our task number 4. Here it is, your task 4. I am sure that you would find it very interesting. For this, you have to go to page 18 of your learner's book. It is basically a research project. Since we are learning about favorite things, favorite people, etc., so here in this task, you have to make a chart about your favorite famous person. You can gather information from internet, and you have to design the page layout by taking help from different sources. You can take help from magazines, you can take help from internet. It's a written work for this task. You have to make a chart about your favorite famous person, and for that chart, the points that you are going to cover, you have to write the name of favorite famous person, the date and place of birth, education, field or profession, any honor or award, important events in his or her life, accomplishments, character traits, qualities, or any quote. So these are some of the points which you have to cover while designing your chart about favorite famous person. Take help from some models of designing your page layout. Here we have 3 models. You can take help from anyone. You can design your page layout the way you like. So I hope that this is clear to you. And with this, we come to an end of our week 4 lesson. I hope you are clear. If still you have some questions, you can ask the teacher for help. Take good care of yourself and the people around you.